Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. A huge update, a huge win for Elon Musk, a huge win for Dogecoin community, and a huge win for crypto in general, guys. Also, some very important economic data came out that was positive. So overall, it's been a pretty good day for crypto. Even though the prices are down, down, we're still seeing that overall it's a pretty good day out there. This is our Saturday morning time, drive time update, girls, boys, cats and dogs, aliens, amoebas out there. Just one cautionary tale. I'm not freaking driving. I'm absolutely not driving. There's absolutely a driver out there driving. So a lot of people like to beat me up in the comments. Oh, why are you making a video on driving? Oh, why are you making a video on driving? I'm not driving, guys. Don't forget to smash the likes. Show some love out there. Remember, no, this is financial advice. Let's dive into it. So what we're seeing right now is we're seeing that most of cryptocurrencies is still in the red. We're seeing Bitcoin is below 60,000. It's 59,000 and change. We're seeing the Dogecoin has been holding pretty strong at 10 cents out there. So that's pretty good. We see less volatility out there, and you know, one of the reasons that we're seeing the crypto is down is because we're seeing a lot of retail investors still selling. That's a fact. But you know, curiously, we are still seeing a lot of institutional whales are still buying. So we're seeing that there's a transfer of Bitcoin from retail investors to institutions, to whales who are still behind the scenes, slowly accumulating more and more Bitcoin, guys. Also, Wells Fargo came out and said that they are going to be actively promoting and telling their customers to buy Ethereum ETFs out there. So that's pretty awesome, guys. I got my Starbucks out there. There's no go without the Joe. So let's giddy up and let's go. Happy Saturday morning out there to all my friends in Asia. Feeling better. Nothing like a Starbucks. I mean, I can't start my day without Starbucks. So that's what's going on. So I know a lot of you are feeling some pain right now when it comes to crypto. You know, we were at 65,000 only a week ago. About three weeks ago, we're at over 70,000. So you know, this is part of consolidation. Don't forget, we're entering in September. September, October, typically are good months for crypto. Typically are good months for Dogecoin. Are typically good. So PCE data came out in line with expectations, so that is good. It won't have much. Won't have like a huge impact on the stock market. Won't have a huge impact out there, but it's good news. Don't forget, we still got Jerome Powell interest rates. We should see a decline in interest rates coming in September, so that's going to be lovely jubbly out there. So let's talk about Elon Musk. Elon Musk, huge freaking win out there. You know, we had this whole vitriolic court case, some douchebag who accused Elon Musk of manipulating Dogecoin price, yada, long drawn out. So basically the court said this is bogus, it's malarkey, it's bullshit, and yeah, Elon Musk won. Okay, so that's it, you know, because they accused Elon Musk of basically price fixing and all that kind of crap. So he won, so that's good. That's been pretty good for the Dogecoin community, and we all know that Elon Musk ain't doing that. He ain't freaking doing that. Even though people are thinking they want to do it. Let me open this this sunshade so you guys can kind of get a view of what's going on. There we go. So you guys can kind of get like a back view of what's going on out there. So yeah, it's another day at the grind out there. Keep in mind that tomorrow and the next day is a national holiday here in Vietnamville. So yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty awesome out there. So what do I see? Where do I see crypto going in the next couple of days? Yeah, I think you're going to see that we should start to go greeny. It is Saturday. I think by Monday we should start to see some greenness out there. And this whole consolidation for Bitcoin is still happening. Crypto is still consolidating. September should be better than October. We're slightly down. We're going to close the month of August slightly negative. Good news is Dogecoin is still holding 10 cents, so that's pretty good. Next big resistance is 11 cents, then 12 cents. But I think we will close. I think we'll close September. We should be back up above 12 cents. That's what I'm thinking out there. And remember, we're still seeing that Dogecoin is still, you know, it goes down, consolidates, goes up, huge breakout. you know, these huge descending triangles, and then goes up again. So we're seeing that, you know, we're at the point of confluence where we're going to see Dogecoin have a huge breakout. Some people asking me, well, should I be buying more Dogecoin? Well, I can't tell you what to do. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, but what I can say is that I have bought more Dogecoin. I have bought more Bitcoin. I'm dollar cost averaging like a freaking madman out there, because I still think there's going to be some huge upside. I think we're entering one of the biggest, hugest bull runs, bully bull runs, and I think that we're going to enter into a super cycle out there, because, you know, what's different this time? We have Bitcoin ETFs, we have Ethereum ETFs, we have XRP lawsuit coming to an end soon, so that is pretty good. So a lot of good stuff is happening. Shiba Inu is doing its thing. Keep in mind that in terms of meme coins, Dogecoin is the biggest. It's less volatile if you compare it to a lot of other meme coins. It's less volatile, and I believe that retail investors, once the FOMO starts, and we haven't seen them, I'm bouncing around, the driver's hitting every bumps. You know, once we hit the FOMO, retail FOMO, we'll start to see a huge price pump. When do I expect things to go nuts? I think October, end of, you know, around Halloweeny time, that is when all of you are going to feel happy. You're all going to feel glorious, and you're all going to have a lovely jubbly day out there, because you're going to see that Bitcoin should be, I think by October we should be easily breaking 80,000. I think new all-time highs coming for Bitcoin should be happening. I'm hoping that, you know, conservatively we could see, you know, 15-cent Doge Warrior. And keep in mind, we got the elections coming in November, and remember that Donald Trump has said that he wants to make America the crypto hub, the crypto hub of planet Earth out there. So that is pretty good. So we can see that America could be the crypto hub of planet Earth. So I'm pretty freaking excited about that. I don't know who's going to win. I know who I hope wins. The DT out there. Hopefully the DT will win. I'm hoping out there. So that's what I'm thinking. Get some more coffee. Fuel up. So that's what I'm thinking out there. So overall, it's not a bad day. I think we should see a bit of reversal, some greeny-weeny. Monday, I think, you know, as we enter into September, you know, holiday season is kind of coming to an end. So I think by September 15th, everybody's back to work. Holidays are over. People are going to start refocusing, retasking themselves. Wall Street is going to be more active. And I think typically September we see a lot of positivity, a lot of positiveness for crypto. So that's what's going on. Yeah, so this is my drive time update. Let's take a look. Let's open the sunroof, give you guys a bit of a what's going on out there. So that's kind of the view that I see every day out there. I don't know if you can see this. We got the beach over here. The beach. I don't know if you can see that, but that's a beach over there. We got the mountains. This is kind of like the OG view out there. So a lot of you have also been asking, why is the OG not making so many videos? Well, I'm going through some personal stuff. Full disclosure, I'm going through a divorce right now. Unfortunately, things didn't work out after you know, almost 10 years. Things didn't work out. It's partially my fault, partially not my fault, but it is what it is. It's life. So that's kind of what's going on with me personally. And you know, status is it's kind of at the court. So there's a lot of bad feelings, and basically we're in kind of like, if anyone's been through a divorce, you know what it is. It's like initially you go through like fight mode, right? Fight mode, and basically, you know, fight mode. So we're me and soon-to-be ex-wife, we're kind of like in fight mode right now. So that's what's going on. But you know, over time things will normalize. So that's what's going on. In case you're wondering what's going on, I haven't dropped off the face of the earth. That is why I'm kind of like, my head is not kind of in the game so much. So that's, I want to apologize to the community, but just bear with me. I'm hoping that, you know, once we get to the final resolution, things will get back to normal, then I can start to refocus. So that's what I'm saying. I love you guys. Be blessed, be well. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Smash the like, subscribe. Peace out.